Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to use RankMath SEO plugin to add your website to Google Search Console and Bing Webmaster tool. First, you have to go to the RankMath plugin and then click on the general settings, and then you have to click on the Webmaster tools. Here you'll be able to see different types of consoles, Webmaster tools and other Webmaster tools. But our target is to use Google Search Console. So first we have to add it on our Google Search Console. You have to add the property, add the URL, and then click continue. Now you have to select the HTML tag and click copy, and then head over to the plugin and add it on the Google Search Console. Okay. After that, you have to click the Save Changes. If you're using WordPress Fence plugin, you have to whitelist this. Otherwise, it will just save it automatically. Once it is saved, you have to go to the Search Console and click Verify. See, it's been added already. This is super easy, right? So this is how you add your site to Search Console using RankMath. Now we will add it to Bing Webmaster tool. Go to your Bing Webmaster tool, add the site here, click Add your site manually, then click Yes, which should be Yes. Then again you'll get the HTML meta tag, select it, and click on the Bing Webmaster tool and go and save changes. It's been saved. So now we have to go to the Bing Webmaster tool to see if it's been verified. So here on Microsoft Bing Webmaster tool, we have to click the verify. You'll see that it's been added. So this is how you add your website to Bing Webmaster tool using the RankMath plugin. Thank you. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe.